So you're planning a trip to the incredible country of Nepal, but you're probably wondering, what's the deal with the visa? Well, today, we're going to break the whole process down and show you just how simple it can be. You know how it is. Planning that dream trip to the Himalayas is so exciting, but then the thought of visa paperwork can feel like a major headache. If that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. But the good news is, when it comes to Nepal, the process is surprisingly straightforward. Yeah, Nepal's system is literally designed to be welcoming to tourists, so you could forget about those complicated, stressful pre-trip applications. For most travelers, getting your visa is one of the smoothest parts of the entire journey. So what's the secret? It all comes down to Nepal's Visa on Arrival system. For most nationalities, this means you don't have to apply for anything before you leave home. You can get your visa stamped right when you land at the airport in Kathmandu or at any of the major land border crossings. Okay, so what does this actually look like when you land? It all comes down to a super simple 3-step process, which we're going to walk through right now. First up, you'll fill out the application form. You'll see these self-service kiosks at the airport for this. Second, you take that form to the payment counter to pay the visa fee. And third, with your form and your payment receipt in hand, you head to the immigration officer. We'll check your documents and give you that all-important stamp. It's a really clear, logical flow. Now, to make this whole 3-step process go as quickly as possible, the real trick is to have everything you need ready to go. So let's go over the essential checklist of fees and documents. Okay, the visa fees are based on how long you want to stay. A 15-day visa is $30, 30 days is $50, and a 90-day visa is $125. The most important tip here is to bring cash, specifically clean, crisp US dollar bills, because it'll make the payment process go so much more smoothly. And here's your simple checklist. You'll need your passport, of course, with at least 6 months of validity left on it. You'll need one passport-sized photo, the visa fee in cash, and your flight details. Having these things organized and easy to grab in your carry-on will save you a ton of time at the airport. Now, you want a great pro tip? If you want to save even more time and just breeze right through that arrival hall, there's one simple thing you can do before you even leave home. Remember that first step, filling out the application form? Well, you can actually do that online, from home, before your trip. I highly recommend this because it lets you skip the kiosk line at the airport completely. Just fill it out online, print the confirmation receipt, and you are already ahead of the game. Just one crucial detail about that online form. It's only valid for 15 days after you submit it. So you've got to be sure to time it right and fill it out within that 2-week window right before your arrival in Nepal. Okay, now this is a really critical point. While the visa on arrival process is easy for most travelers, it is not universal. It is unavailable for citizens of a few specific countries. So before you book anything, it is absolutely essential that you do a quick online search to confirm your nationality is eligible. This is a vital step to avoid any problems when you arrive. But what happens if you just fall in love with Nepal and your 15 or 30-day visa just isn't enough? It's a common question. And once again, the process is designed to be pretty straightforward. If you need more time to track, explore, or just soak in the culture, you can simply visit the Department of Immigration. They have offices in the 2 main hubs for travelers, Kathmandu and Pokhara, which makes it super accessible. You can extend your visa in increments up to a total maximum stay of 150 days within a single calendar year. This gives you plenty of flexibility to adjust your plans and really immerse yourself in the country. So what's the main takeaway here? Well, from the moment you arrive to even extending your stay, Nepal's visa system is designed to be traveler-friendly. It's all about getting the paperwork done easily so you can focus on the real reason you're there, the experience. So with the visa process totally demystified, the only question left is the exciting one. Will it be the peaks of the Annapurnas, the temples of Kathmandu, or the jungles of Chitwan? Your adventure is waiting.